welcome back. This is Shelly of Letters by Shells, and today we are going to be writing the letter N, so let's get started. For this letter, we're going to start with a upstroke, applying light pressure, and then we're going to transition to do a downstroke, applying heavy pressure, and then it's going to be another upstroke, light pressure, and then another downstroke for heavy pressure. And then we're just going to finish off that letter N by just adding a tail, and the tail is going to be in light pressure. And we're going to now do the lowercase n by doing heavy pressure first, and then we're going to transition to do a light stroke and then a heavy pressure stroke. And then notice that the stroke is going to be taller than the downstroke that we initially did for the letter, just to create a different style. And there you have it. There's letter N.